Good2Know.
Today I'm going to do a review on a UV light, generates ozone, and I'm going to show you why this is such a great item to have and how it's going to save you money if you use a CPAP.
I'm going to let her tell all about it because I don't use it. But I might one day.
So this light I bought off of Amazon when I was looking for a way to sanitize my CPAP. Those machines that clean them automatically are expensive, you guys. Have you tried shopping for those? About $350 for the name brand one that you see online right now. I'm sorry, on TV commercials right now. And you can get cheaper ones, but you can't get any cheaper than this. This thing was 10 bucks. And I'm breaking it. I'm going to start this part over, baby.
Okay.
Okay. So you just can't get any cheaper than this. This was $10. Comes with the housing for it, a removable plug, so you can mount this somewhere if you need to, unplug it for safety. And it also has an on-off switch that's remote from here, so you can, I'll show you why that's important in a minute too. Now this UV light is not the same as the one that you would use for a plant light, or it's not a fluorescent bulb either. That's how you just pop the bulb in the housing and turn it a quarter turn to keep it locked in. So the UV light that generates ozone, they are dangerous to your plants, to your pets, and to yourself. So you don't want to look at the light while it's glowing. You don't want it to expose to your skin or to your animals or to your house plants, because the ozone is dangerous to your body. So keep that in mind. And it also has a safety warning sticker on here to tell you that it's dangerous to those. And so on to the nice features of this. So it's compact enough for me to use virtually anywhere that I want to use it to sanitize just about anything. This is a smaller version of what hospitals use to sanitize operating theaters. The UV light kills bacteria, kills germs, kills mildew as it grows, so you could use it in your bathroom, which I have, and it kills odors. So it's a very nice thing to have if you've got a musty smelling room that's been closed up for a while. Go ahead and plug it in there, leave it running for about an hour, turn it off, and the smell will be gone. So here's how I clean my CPAP and just about anything else. I have one of these thermal bags, bought it at Sam's, and you can buy these just about anywhere. Excuse the mess on this one, this has been riding around in my car for a while. So it's got an insulated lining, and it's kind of aluminum looking. So I just put the lamp inside there on the end opposite the zipper, and then I put my components of my CPAP in there. And if you're worried about the ozone deteriorating your silicone parts, then by all means leave the silicone out and sanitize those with some vinegar water, and just put your components inside the bag. You know, I can even put my cell phone in there, get rid of germs. Cell phones are some of the nasty, germiest things you've got. You can put your toothbrush in there, just about anything at all that will fit in the bag you can put in there to sanitize. So I'm going to go ahead and zip it all the way up where just the cord is sticking out, and then I will flip the on-off switch on to where it's on. And how do I know it's on? Because when the lights are off in here, you can see the little bit of a glow around the edge there. So none of the UV light is escaping out of the bag. It's staying contained in there, and that aluminum lining or aluminum looking lining in there is reflecting it on all angles of everything, so it's getting every angle of anything in there. And if I just wanted to be sure, then I just flip it around like that after it's been in there. I keep it for 30 minutes. After it's been in there for 15, I can just flip it around, give it a shake up so that areas that were laying down flat are now on the other, you know what I mean. All areas are exposed. And how do I know that this worked? Because when I unzip it after 30 minutes, you can smell the ozone. So what I do is I unzip it and leave the room and let the bag air out. And then I take the CPAP and go ahead and I plug it in and I run it for about 2 minutes just to let the air run through and blow out the rest of that ozone so I'm not breathing that in. Since I've started using this method to clean it, I haven't been getting the sinus, runny nose, sore throat from using the CPAP. So I recommend this lamp for anything that you want to sanitize. If you're a germaphobe, it's the perfect item for you to have at home. The way I use this in the bathroom is actually I use an extension cord outside and just I put it in the bathroom. I have a tiny bathroom and go ahead and I plug it in, put the light inside, close the door, and I use the switch outside and leave it running in there for about an hour for a room size. Now this thing is really a good item to have. It's a great gift for your germaphobe friends and family. It's something that if you do your research on the cleaners for your CPAP, you'll find that they say that it's a super UV light or something like that, and then if you Google that, you'll find out that all it is ozone. And so this is a lot cheaper than the $350 unit that you can buy. It's a lot cheaper than the $50 units that you can buy. If that's the route you want to go, though, by all means, because they are smaller, more compact, those units that are built just for that. But I'm not sure what else you can use to, or what else you can clean with that if it's just your CPAP. So I recommend this. It's made by Coospider. Coospider, it's a 6-watt. And it says on here it's a UVC ozone bulb. It does not let you forget that this is generating some ozone, which is a very good safety feature in my mind. It came just in a plain little cardboard container. The bulb was packed separately for safety reasons, I guess. And I like the way the cord comes apart. Everything fits back in that box for storage. So here's how I saved a lot of money. John?
Okay, hope y'all learned something there.
How to save money.
How to
sanitize
money.
things.
You sanitize a lot of things with that.
Oh, I forgot to tell them. This will kill bed bugs. If you go to a hotel, go ahead and put the pillows down about 12 inches from the edge of the bed and put this on the bed between the pillows and the wall or the pillows and the headboard. Pull the covers up over it, turn it on, let it run for about 20 minutes. It's going to kill bed bugs, y'all.
Sanitize a lot of stuff.
In the hotel
like I said,
room.
You could use what Rebecca has. You could make you a little box to put stuff in. Whether you use wood and line it with aluminum, so like she said, so it reflects off everything. But you can use it any ways. Again, how much was the ones that they're selling on TV?
$350 for the one that you just drop the mask in.
And she just dropped her mask in that one. So
it's just as easy.
Just as easy. Just be aware of the safety precautions. You don't want to use this around kids or anything. So this is for adults only. And we recommend it.
I sure do. We're going to have a link down below on Amazon so that you can go buy this one. I looked at a lot of them and this one really caught my interest because of the size and the cost.
Alright, we want to thank y'all for coming to Good to Know. I'm John.
I'm Rebecca.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Tell everybody. Alright, now we'll say our goodbyes.
Bye.